So the rumor is that Twitter will be charging $20 a month for the, this blue check mark up here. And the big rumor is that you will be able to pay in Dogecoin to get the check mark. Now that's gonna push the price. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about how, the rumors is the one that actually is pushing the price towards the upside. Buy the rumors, sell the news kind of event. And Dogecoin is in the middle of this right now. So it's a big thing, guys. It's a big thing. And we're also gonna look at the chart after that and see whether we are actually bullish or bearish. And I can tell you right now, long term, like until this comes out, we are very much bullish, guys. Hi guys, how you doing? Now let's talk about the thing that is happening right now. Twitter, Elon Musk took over Twitter, and right now they're gonna start charging $20 a month to get the blue check mark, because they want to remove the bots, they want to make some money, so forth. Very nice. New verified users already will only be able will need to pay $4.99 to keep the check mark, but new users will have to pay $20. Now that's good and dandy, but Elon Musk said before, Twitter should be charging in Dogecoin. Now that is the big thing, guys. That is the big thing. That is the rumor. If they actually do that, the Dogecoin price will explode. Now let me explain to you a little bit about how this works. If you remember in the previous bull market, when Cardano was pumping, through the roof, and everybody was very excited about Cardano, Cardano didn't have anything. What Cardano did have is rumors, it's expectations, it's hype, it's what things that are gonna come, not the things that are happening right now, but things that are gonna come. The things that are gonna come is what pumps the price. Nobody wants to buy already finished product, because if you buy finished product, like the price can go up and down based on the revenue and this and that, not that much. What pumps the price in crypto space is rumors, is expectations, it is the future about things that are gonna come, because people don't understand how valuable or not valuable that rumor or that news or that thing that's gonna come is, so they overprice it big time. And this is what's happening right now. The big thing is that they are gonna take charge, they're gonna take payment in Dogecoin, and that is the rumor, guys. And you know what they say, buy the rumor, sell the news event. Not a financial advice. You do with your money what you want to do with your money, I do with my money what I want to do with my money. But doesn't matter what happens, here's the two options. They do charge $20 and you can pay me Dogecoin explodes, right? Number two, they don't charge, they do charge, but they don't take, Dogecoin. The price falls, but it will fall when the news actually comes, because news is not out yet. News is yet to come. It takes time, right? So until we get the news event, the rumor is that they will be charging Dogecoin, which is gonna, how many millions and millions of people does Twitter have on their platform? Like everybody's gonna be, exposed to Dogecoin. So the rumor is that, that's gonna happen, and that's hugely bullish for Dogecoin. So, that's what we're expecting. Now, I said yesterday, we've been following right now Dogecoin for a couple of days. And yesterday we hit some kind of resistance. We said we need consolidation. Consolidation is happening, but the price is not falling much. It is falling down a little bit. It is pulling back, and it is very good. It is not doing some kind of crazy stuff that says this is over. It's just consolidating, and I like it. I like the price is consolidation, because it needs to happen. We had a big move towards the upside, like 100% move from the top to the bottom. 100% move to, I think it was 100% move, yeah, doesn't matter, 100 plus percent moved from top to bottom. So this pullback towards downside is very nice. What you're gonna see here is, the price is not going something like, crazy like this, creating some kind of, rounded top or a parabolic move right back down again. What is doing is creating this, you can even call it a bull flag up here at the top, or some kind of a, descending triangle. Doesn't matter what it is not falling down. And let me show you a little bit, explain how this works. So this over here at the top, this is some kind of double top, and we said yesterday, if we start falling below these levels, the probability is that this might actually go all the way down to a 95. Now that would be something like, something like 20% move towards downside. You might think that's big. 20% move towards downside is not much when you pump 100% over a week's time, right? It's not much. It's very little. 20% move towards downside is normal, but we did not do that. We went below the support and we just stayed up here above the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly time frame. Even not only that, this support line, support line that right now became a resistance line, we managed to get above that and hold up here, and right now again we are below it, and we are below the moving averages again, but the price is not falling. And this you have to understand this in technical analysis. Sometimes the price will fall below support levels and you would expect a bigger dump towards downside, but when it does not, that bigger dump doesn't come you know, towards downside. The thing that you expect, okay, right now low support, we need to go down to, you know, to the next big support level, and you don't do that. You kind of just hug the resistance, you know, at the top. You just kind of, you know, like over here, you just kind of stay up there, you don't dump. You know, that's a bullish indication of the price. That means that there are buyers that do not want to drop. Yes, we lost support, but we are not dropping down, which is very, very good. So what over here is happening is that we are actually keeping some kind of a resistance up here, and we got some kind of support down here. You know, it depends on how you draw the support up here. You know, there is definitely a couple of ways that you can actually draw this over here, but however you look at it, this is consolidating right over here, and you can see that this volatility up here is quite large, and over here it's you know, getting smaller. So volatility is going down. That means that this price will continue a move towards upside or downside very, very soon. Now, like we said, the rumor is that Twitter will be charging $20 a month, and that the Dogecoin will be a payment for those $20. I mean, you'll probably be able to buy it in Bitcoin, or maybe even in you know, fiat. I don't know about fiat because old currency, you know, ancient stuff. I'm a little bit unsure whether you're gonna be able to buy it with dollars, but Dogecoin is a very good probability. Now, if that happens, that's gonna pump the price. But the rumor is pumping it, and I think the people are already pricing that in. People have been pricing in, you know, Elon Musk taking over Twitter, and you know, that was a little bit unsure. But once it became like, you know, very sure, the price pumped, and right now they're pricing in Dogecoin payment on Twitter, which is a big thing. So the rumor pumps the price, and last time we actually looked at this right over here, we had a resistance up here at 14.8, right, 14.8, and you can see here we came to the 14.8. Now what happened on the weekly time frame? Today is Monday, so we had a weekly close. This thing over here pumped 94%, actually from the bottom, exactly 100%, closed at 100%, from the bottom towards the top, 100%. All the way at the top, it was at 158% in 1 week, so it's a big move towards the upside. Now the fact that we are above the 50 moving average over here is very, very good. This is a very bullish move, and you know, it just doesn't happen that often. Very bullish move. So right now we are consolidating up here a little bit. How long this consolidation is going to take, how, or you know, when the next movement is going to come, a little bit hard to say, but you know, Elon Musk is known for doing things very, very quickly, and you know, engineers and programmers are already on the job to implement this, what will be called Twitter Blue, the check mark, and it's already on the way. So you know, people are pricing that in, and this looks actually quite nice. Now we did lose support over here. You can see up here we're getting rejected by the support. Right now we are doing this curvature towards downside, so I wouldn't like to again to lose the next level at 11 over here. I'm still saying that, you know, all the way down to what did we say last time? Let me see on the daily time frame up here, weekly time frame up here. This is 72. I don't think we're gonna go down to 72. Where was it? I had let's say 4 hourly 50 moving average down here at it was 85, 95 up here. I do not quite remember right now. There was a line at around 1995 or something like that. Let me see up here. Yeah, because everything up here. So down to 95. That was my target last time. I gotta double check this up here, but that was target down here, right? And that's you know, that's the 20% move towards outside. It is still in play. It can still happen, but you gotta understand, guys. You gotta understand that this thing, the Dogecoin, will again pump. Because of the rumor, Now we have, you know, we saw that Bitcoin is pulling back. I don't know if you watched the Bitcoin daily today. We saw the Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit today. The DXY, the dollar index, going a little bit towards the upside. Wednesday or Thursday, we got these interest rates hike that's gonna happen. So there will be volatility during the week. How the, you know, Bitcoin will react, how the Dogecoin will react to that, a little bit unsure. But what I'm sure about, as soon as this, you know, settles down a little bit, volatility goes over, and because right now people are taking profits, so you know, 20% more towards downside is very likely, but eventually I think this will explode towards upside on the rumor that Elon Musk, you know, will implement Dogecoin as a payment for the Twitter blue checkmark eventually. Now, the rumors pump the price, the expectations pump the price. You can understand that. And guys, whatever happens, I think this is gonna be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, because again, once it pumps again, it's gonna be crazy times. It's gonna be euphoria. You do not want to buy euphoria, you want to sell euphoria. You want to buy fear, you want to sell euphoria. You know, all the same stuff all over again. Guys, Dogecoin is doing good. I think it's consolidating down here. It looks very nicely. I think still it might actually drop on the downside. We gotta see how it actually reacts to these levels up here at the top, around 1200 up here. You can see here that we had you know, some kind of a there was actually down here down here was one of the support lines up here. So let's move this a little bit down here, something like this. It is it had this you know, support over here. It broke that support, went above it, right now below it, right now above it a little bit again, but I won't again like to fall down below next support level right now that we created down here. That's 11, something like that. But again, if it doesn't drop, you know, immediately down there and, you know, it kind of stops, you know, hugging just below the support line, it shows bullishness, guys. It shows bullishness. I think this bullish consolidation was expected. We did get a consolidation. Consolidation is coming towards the some kind of ending. We're gonna see that. I like the price. It looks good. I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. I'll see you next time. Right now, you know, Dogecoin is up 2.16%, 2.11, 2.05. Nice. It looks good. Bye, guys. Join KuCoin while you can, because, you know, gems. Bye bye. Have a nice day.